If you want to instantly upgrade your steak, this chimichurri sauce is the move. It's fresh, bold, and comes together in minutes with simple ingredients.
I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel.
So let me quickly walk you through how to make chimichurri sauce. It's an easy, authentic recipe and the best steak sauce you'll ever make.
Start off by chopping 1 cup of fresh flat leaf parsley.
For those of you that have never heard of a chimichurri sauce recipe, it is a fresh herb sauce from Argentina known for its bright, bold flavor and simple ingredients.
Once you're done giving it a quick chop, round up that mixing bowl and something to scoop it up and put it into the bowl. Next up to bat, fresh oregano. Remove the leaves from the stem. You'll want about 1 tablespoon. Give it a quick chop.
This sauce is all about fresh herbs. That's what gives it that vibrant, punchy flavor you can't fake.
Round up that mixing bowl and drop them all in.
The parsley and oregano, that's the base for this authentic chimichurri sauce recipe. Now it's time to move forward, adding some additional flavors.
Next up to bat, 5 cloves of garlic. They can either be chopped on the cutting board, or if you have a garlic press, knock yourself out.
Chimichurri for steak is the ultimate combination. However, this herb sauce recipe really goes well with chicken, and here lately I've seen a lot of people put it on tacos. You know, why not?
To that, you'll add ½ a teaspoon of red pepper flakes and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Pour in ½ a cup of extra virgin olive oil.
The key to a great homemade chimichurri sauce is balancing the olive oil with vinegar and lemon, so it's rich but still bright. If you're looking for a good grilling sauce recipe, this is definitely one you need to put into the mix.
Season with a pinch of salt, maybe 2, and freshly cracked black pepper, spanking a touch. Snag a spoon, give it all a mix.
And as you can see, this is a very easy chimichurri sauce recipe to make.
Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, and then you're ready to dive in.
And the great thing is there's no blender needed for this recipe. The traditional chimichurri is hand mixed, which keeps the textures fresh, rustic, and not over-processed.
Before you go, I want to give you a quick thanks. If you enjoy these recipes and want a little more, I do have channel memberships now. Members will have early access to videos as well as printable step-by-step written recipes. It's totally optional, but it's a great way to support the channel as well as cook along with me more closely. I'll put links below the video in the description section and comment section. All right, let's eat. Give it a quick taste. Fresh. Woo! That's a knockout. You're gonna love this. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a quick and easy fresh chimichurri sauce.
You're probably wondering, why is this sauce so good with steak? Well, the acidity of the chimichurri sauce, it cuts through the richness of the steak, which helps every bite to taste lighter and more flavorful. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a chimichurri sauce. So whether you're grilling or cooking indoors, this sauce will instantly upgrade your meals.
Let's have a little taste test. Cuts the fat. It's fresh. Woo! Oh yeah. This is absolutely fantastic. Woo!
Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and hype it up. And remember, until next time, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.